welcome to our channel again. We are near the border of Greece, really high in the mountains, in this very far away village. I have a place here that lots of good stuff will happen probably. I'll try to make a video about most of the stuff. Today we are going to fix the roof of our barn because lots of water is going down into the walls and it causing problems. So what we are trying to accomplish here is, because the water and the snow are, when it's melting and the water is going down, everything goes here, and it's like a giant ball that takes all the water in and pushes the soil and everything on it, pushes the wall down, and it starts to move a little bit. So we have to do what we can for now to save our barn. First thing, we'll put this gutter here. The most important thing for it is, this is the highest point, and we want to make at least the water from the roof to go down this way and get out of our wall as much as possible. The first thing we will do is put these brackets here, that they will support the gutter, and at the highest point it will stay like this, and then every bracket, every other bracket is going down a little bit and down a little bit, and at the end it will be something like this, so we'll have some angle to get the water out. We took out the first part of the tiles, first row of the tiles, because we want to put something here so it will be a little bit higher, and we will make it more angled to the end. This is very far away from our final version of the gutter for the barn. What we are trying here is just to save the wall for the winter. Alright, we're almost finishing the roof. As you can see, the results are far away from perfect. But the most important thing here is to save the barn, because it will save us a lot of trouble later. You saw our test here. You just put some water. You see, even big rain catches the water. And it's going all the way out of the wall. Doesn't look beautiful, but it's practical. And this is achieved just for a couple of hours. Some old gutter from a big building, and we even changed some of our bad tiles. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.